All right, so we have Aryahi and her mom Manisha ji here. And I would first and foremost like to thank you for actually removing the time and helping us understand how Ignite the Topper in your child program has benefited Aryahi. So, Aryahi, we would like to hear it from you before and after.
I want to say a big thank you to Sandhya Bajaj Academy and to my teacher for helping me so much. Before joining, I was too shy, and now I can speak without fear and I can share my ideas in the right way. Maths used to be difficult for me, but now I can do tables, addition, and subtraction very fast. I have also learned capitals, currencies, countries, peg words, and memory locations with memory tricks. Learning has become more fun for me. Thank you, teacher, for bringing out me in the best. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Love this, Aryahi. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Let's hear it from Aryahi's mom, Manisha ji.
Hello everyone, this is Manisha's Aryahi's mom. My heartfelt gratitude to Sandhya Bajaj Academy uh, in her topper program. Actually, my more main motive to put in admitted in the UR program. Actually, earlier she was very shy. So I firstly I would like to come out from her fear, her shyness, confidence. Confidence level is very less. Even I would like to her express herself in the correct way. Even I have seen now from the shy girl to transform into the confident speaker. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
absolutely.
yeah. So and now I have seen her. She's a very maths. She's not up to the mark. Because of that only, I put her to the maths, Vedic maths. So I have seen her now with your one-to-one guidance. She has done wonderful job. Even within a second, she solves all the problems. Thanks to you all. That's the main reason. Maths also and confidence speaker also. Even I have seen now her confidence level has boost up so much. Even we are amazed with her talent because she remembering countries, capitals, peg words, remembering peg words and locations also. So
She's
we are
even
just
taken, yes, she's even taken a few sessions in the topper program, by the way. She's
yeah,
with the children as well.
yeah. So we are really amazed with it. We are remarkable. I have seen a remarkable journey now to a shy girl to a confident speaker, and really I'm thankful to you to come out best from my child.
Got the best in her,
Yeah.
absolutely. In fact, Manisha ji, I would also like to understand. She's also a part of a reading club. How has
Yes.
reading club transformed her as a person? Because there we are not reading non-fiction, correct?
Correct. 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 Yeah, right. Even I have seen because I was earlier used to tell her to read the books, but she was not. She's okay, but she's not doing in a. She's not putting her 100% into that. So after reading club joined, she's very good. She's very versed with her language. She's very well. She's confident speaker also. She know how to put her words in a correct way that will
Correct.
help her in future also. So
Correct.
I'm thankful to you that you have admitted, you advised me to at least put her into the reading club.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Manisha ji,
Okay.
what is your message to the parents out there?
Okay. To the all parents watching this video, I sincerely suggest each and every parents enroll your child in Sandhya Bajaj Academy because you will see the difference in your child. Of course, every child is different. Every child is unique. If you little push from your parents and the right guidance from the Sandhya Bajaj Academy, your child can reach the another level. You see the difference your child. So my request to all parents to please join Sandhya Bajaj Academy.
Thank you, Manisha ji. Thank you so much for your kind words. And once again, I would say thank you, Dil se, for removing the time and sharing
Thank
such
you
a
to you
lovely
to
feedback.
shape our child in such a beautiful manner with such so much of love.
Thank you.